It's okay. I think I'm on day 7 now.
Sean Lipinski got back from a Mexico vacation with his partner Dawn and holed up in their Winooski home just to be safe. No signs or symptoms of COVID-19, but they decided a 14-day quarantine was best for the community.
You know, you come in contact with so many people at the airports, on the airplane.
While stuck inside, Lipinski wanted to do something to help.
Well, I'm looking at my pantry and I'm thinking, what can I make with all the stuff that I have inside?
He's got a cooking background, so the sous chef cooked up an idea. Give people in isolation some easy recipes to use up freezer foods and dry goods they might already have on hand. The funny catering fella sprinkles in a little humor too during his food demos and dishes on some hot topics.
It's going to be really hot because it's been in the oven.
Call it cooking light. He's sharing it all live on Facebook.
I think people are stuck at home with not a lot to do, so if I can crack a few jokes and teach somebody how to make some bread, then so be it.
The cook in quarantine's random act of kindness is one of many we're seeing as people try to get through this pandemic together. Folks jumped at the chance to fill bellies and warm hearts. The Milton School District made sure students didn't go hungry when classes got canceled. Crates of milk and boxes of food loaded onto 16 buses to deliver a hot lunch and breakfast to 900 kids.
We appreciate what we're doing for the community.
Like all bars and restaurants, Heart and Soul by Mark Barbecue had to close. Instead of ditching its extra food, the Essex restaurant made it to go for free. And volunteers like this duo helped deliver it to those who need it.
A lot of people got a lot of hard news this week.
SIP in Plattsburgh did the same. The restaurant boxed up meals to bring to workers at Champlain Physicians Hospital and those on the front lines of the coronavirus fight. Many restaurants in our region are pitching in. Several distillers hope to help with the hand sanitizer shortage, so they're making it and giving it away. Countless people on Facebook offering to help neighbors, even strangers, get groceries, do chores. These two kids use their days off from school to pick up trash.
One more beat. Inhaling knees bend.
Sarah Sears wants people to find some peace, so she's hosting yoga classes on Instagram. Zen for free. Channel 3 News got in on the giving too. Here's that box. We got another one for you as well. We dropped off 200 reusable bags to the food shelf in Burlington. They'll be filled with food for hungry Vermonters who are not allowed in the building to slow the spread of the outbreak. And our community certainly has some creative people hoping to bring a smile to faces like Adam Hall of Burlington. He borrowed an old Proclaimer song for his video and adapted the lyrics to fit today's new coronavirus reality and the call for social distancing.
Yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who's washing hands for you.
With visitors prohibited from nursing homes and assisted care facilities, some are finding a creative way to help cheer up those inside. Listen to this. All right, beautiful voice there. This was at the Breckenridge Assisted Living over in, I believe it was Willoughby today. And the good news is that this is going to be continuing. They're going to be there again tomorrow at 2 o'clock. I love the shot of the woman applauding. At the end of this, the performers all lined up and they sang Amazing Grace.
Aw, that is so cool. And I mean, how nice for the residents to get to see some fresh faces, because I'm sure
Yes.
they are getting a little bit on each other's nerves by now. And
just
to
be
see
entertained
something new.
too, you know, to
Right.
hear the young people singing.
It's nice to
I
know
that's
people
nice.
care,
Yes.
and they're going to come out and support you. I think that's fantastic. And also little people, meeting my kids, my tiny humans,
Yep.
cranking up the arts and crafts.
I bet they are.
We can take them in and drop them off, and then after a while they'll get to post those there.
Welcome back, Good Day viewers. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday morning. So today I'm hanging out outside of Trader Joe's, and you should see this line. It is out the door. But before we do that, I want to introduce you to two wonderful women, a 20 and a 24-year-old. And ladies, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name's Sakina. Hi, I'm Jackie.
Okay, so remember these faces because at a time like this, they are helping each other. And ladies, social distance, you gotta remember that. See, don't forget. No, but here's the thing, what they're doing is so wonderful. They have started a nonprofit organization where basically what you're doing is helping people out there that need help with their grocery shopping, and you're about to brace a big line to get that done, especially for the elderly and those that are more susceptible to the virus. So ladies, tell me, what exactly is it that you're doing and how can people reach out?
So basically we have a nonprofit called Break the Gap, and Break the Gap is basically, well, Jackie, do you want to actually go into that? Because she is the first founder of it.
Oh, she's like, okay, go.
Oh, that's deep. Yeah, Break the Gap is a nonprofit that we started about a year ago, and what we do is we go out into the streets, and our mission with this is social equality. We believe, especially in a time like this, like we're really seeing this paradigm in the way that people are affected. So there's a lot going on right now in Sacramento. This is a huge economic problem, and we feel like it's our mission to really go out there and help those who can't really help themselves. We do have a lot of resources going on. It's time now for our generation to stand up. It's our chance to make a difference right now in Sacramento. It doesn't matter what age you are. Like you said earlier, we're all soldiers in this right now. It's our time to really go out there and fight.
Yeah, and here's a really cool thing too. You're actually offering people to organizations that they can go on and they can get more information on to help them during this time. And how can they do that?
So right now you can join us like so many other volunteers. You know, we posted that flyer on Instagram and it basically went viral, and so many reached out to us already to help us and help the elderly with groceries, with errands, and basically to, you know, really reach out to the community and serve others. Right now we have a link that you can follow on Instagram where you can donate. So all of our donations, monetary or sanitary, are going to go directly to families. And also we have a hotline for people who are suffering anxiety or depression during this time. So, you know, we know that anxiety is very prevalent in our society, and right now it's very triggering to many who may have losing their jobs or know people in their family that have lost their jobs. So if you do need someone to talk to, you can call us directly, and you know, we'll talk you down.
Okay, and before we have to wrap up, because I know we do have to do that, but can you just give that that website for people to know at home?
Yes, it's actually, what's the link?
You can find us on Break the Gap ORG on Instagram. It will be on our link tree. Every resource would be listed for this time of need. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'll toss it back to you in the studio for now.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sabrina.